People forgive bad visuals, but not bad audio. That is why having a mic that keeps your voice clean and noise free is super important. But here's the thing, static indoor shots के लिए wide mics are okay. But the moment you step outside to shoot, it just kills your freedom to move and to create content the way you want. वहीं अगर वायरलेस mics की बात की जाए तो a good quality mic will cost you around 4 to 5x of your regular wired mic. पर starting में इतना बजट होना can be a little difficult. And honestly, I was in the same boat. I needed a wireless mic that doesn't burn a hole in my pocket. And क्योंकि I use multiple devices to shoot my videos, finding a mic that is compatible with all felt like a task. But after scrolling through endless reviews and videos, I finally decided to test this little guy, the Digitech DWM-116.
ओके सो अभी आप जो ऑडियो सुन रहे हो वो डायरेक्टली मेरे DSLR के इंटरनल माइक से आ रही है. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली स्विच टू दिस Digitech mic.
As you may notice, the audio is much clearer compared to the internal mic. It is more focused and has that nice depth to it. Even from 40 meters far away, the audio stays rock solid, which is impressive. You can walk or move around freely without worrying about losing the connection. You get all the adapters right inside the box, so whether you're shooting on a DSLR, Android or an iPhone, it connects without an issue. Setting up this mic is actually super simple. Just pick the right adapter, depending upon कि आप कौन से डिवाइस के साथ शूट कर रहे हो. इसको अपने रिसीवर से कनेक्ट करो and plug it into your device. That's it. Next, press and hold the power button on the transmitter to turn it on or off. The same power button also lets you switch between modes like noise cancelling and reverb, which we will test in a minute. Now receiver पर you get a small display जो कि बैटरी स्टेटस एंड माइक कनेक्शन की इन्फॉर्मेशन शो करता है, एंड अ पावर बटन जो कि रिसीवर को ऑन ऑफ करने के अलावा also lets you record the audio at 3 different levels. वैसे मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप इसे लेवल 1 पे ही रखें, because once you go higher the audio starts to clip quite a bit, just like this. ओके, सो अभी मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ टू टेस्ट द नॉइज़ कैंसलेशन. अभी तक जो भी आप ऑडियो सुन रहे थे दैट वाज विदाउट एनी नॉइज़ कैंसलेशन, एंड यू कैन प्रोबेबली हियर द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़ बिहाइंड मी. Now to turn on the noise cancellation, just press this button once on the transmitter and you will see this little light turn on. Now hopefully background noise थोड़ी सी कम हुई होगी and you may notice the difference. अच्छा, unlike other microphones, you don't get to control the intensity of noise cancellation here. You just get one standard mode. Along with noise cancellation, there is one feature that is actually interesting, the reverb mode. Just double press the power button on the transmitter to turn it on. This is more of a creative effect जो कि आप बाद में edit में भी apply कर सकते हो. But having this built right into the mic is actually pretty fun to play with. Being this compact in size really opens up creative possibilities. But don't let its small size fool you. The performance of this mic easily punches above its weight. एक ट्रांसमीटर अराउंड 5 से 6 घंटे इजिली निकाल देता है, गिविंग यू रफली 12 hours of total runtime using both mics. And just like your AirPods, the carry case also works as a charger. The whole setup is compact enough that fits right into your pocket. The overall build quality feels solid. And during this test, मेरे से ये mic 2 बार drop भी हो गया था. But it is working perfectly fine. At the end, I would say I am genuinely satisfied with this mic. With all its features and solid performance at this price, it checks almost every box I was looking for. And I can't wait to see how it shapes the sound of my future projects.